Welcome, I'm Rashid.
Explaining the AI/ML feature in our system. In our system, we use the ingredients and also what are the type of food they need and what are the things that we should include ingredients and the meal type and the recipes, whatever name it is, we can use it and find it. So, for example, there are few recipes here. So here we can also type the spice level, preparation time, what are how many types of recipes I need to generate. So if I click this find recipes, and it will suggest the best recipes related to what you ask. So here it is with the images. And also here we can use this to generate new recipes and with a full explanation, what are the ingredients, what are the missing item you have, those things can be checked here. Also there is a match type, what you ask, and okay, here if we look at here 200 grams paneer, we have that in our ingredients, and also 0.5 teaspoon gram masalas that also we have, and these things we don't have. So if you simply click this button, it will be automatically added to the shopping list. And here the instruction how to make this recipe, and also we can save this recipe as well. And here we have the chat assistant. So this is for 2 servings. I'll ask what are the ingredients I need, how amount of ingredients I need to make the food to 5%. So the ingredients here we have only 200 grams per 2 persons, so 500 grams. It gives the servings, what are the amount of servings we need to use, and also how to make it and those things. If you have any doubts, we can ask and get the idea from the AI assistant. And also we can click this AI recipe generator and we can get the recipes as well. Here is the simple matar paneer. So I'll go for new search. I'll go for rice and find recipe. So it is giving steamed rice recipe. So I'll just click. I'll just generate from here. Here is simple sliced spiced rice, 1 cup rice, and those things. Here we can check with the AI assistant, and then you can get it. Okay, so that's it for AI part. And also there are leftover AI and recipe session, the recipe AI part as well. Thank you. Now I'll explain about the user management. I'll use an email, and we are using the policy. So it must have at least 12 characters and 1 uppercase letter and 1 number and 1 special character and 1 lowercase letter. And we can get a maximum amount is limited up to 64 characters. So okay, here if we go to this button and click here, we can change the name here. Also we can set the type of type of diet, and also the household, how many people are in my house. And also we can use this and select what is the budget range I'm looking for. So I'll going with 55k to 85k mid range, and I don't have any emergence. I'm sure I'll go with Indian food. So I'll just save it. So it's saved. Also we can use the same password here. Okay, if we have forget the password, we can use the email OTP and get the change the password. So I'm sending OTP here. Okay, here I'll check the email. Okay, here it is. OTP, I'll just copy it. I'll paste the email, so the verification code, and I can update the password here. So here we are at the admin dashboard. So here is the admin dashboard. So admin can look at the registered users, active recipes, and the total meals scheduled, and the most favorite food, and popular categories are not available. Here the user can use the check the they can use the management. So if we go to the user, he can the admin can check the user and change users roles. They also set the budget type and vegetarian. Also disable user status. So the user, so if we disable, user cannot log into and access to the system. Notifications. Here the notification. User can send on expiration scan, so we can track what are the foods that expired and what from all the users, what are the food expired and what are the how we can save the food and for get suggestions. And we can select the user and send the email, I mean notifications for them. And also we can send the global broadcast the message. So here we get it. Okay, here's the notification. So we can also mark notification as read, and also if you want, we can delete the notification as well. Here we also have the meal reminder. I mean the reminder meal and missing ingredients, budget warning. Those notifications are also integrated to the system. Here we can hide the message. So this is notification management in our system. And also in our system there is a dark mode light mode also. What is the dark mode system? Will be explained by Sonal.
So in this application, my part is ingredient management system. So here the user can add new ingredient or manage existing ingredients. For an example, a user can add new ingredient using this add item feature. Here user can add ingredient details. So this category expiry date notes, those fields are optional fields, but this ingredient name, quantity, and the unit for the quantity is required fields. Iterate to the system, and user can update those ingredient details. And if user can't, and if user leave this required fields empty, it gives an error saying these fields are need to be filled. And user can create or remove item from the ingredient inventory likewise. And when the ingredients are about to expire, or if the ingredients are already expired, it informs the user that if ingredients are expired or it is about to expire. Let me show you. So it's only 1 day left. So it informs the user that this ingredient is about to expire. So that is my system. Thank you.
My name is Dinthasri Dhanaka. My number is 82404198, and I'm responsible for the recipe repository module in this project. Under recipes, you can find different tabs. Called view recipes, my recipes, favorites, and add recipes. Under view recipes, you're able to view all the recipes created by the user. Under my recipes, you're able to view the recipes created by the specific user. Under favorites, you can view the favorite listed recipes of the specific user. And under add recipe, you can add a different add a recipe that you want. You create a new recipe. The cooking time can be set in minutes. And here you can upload an image relating to the recipe. And here you can set different tags different keywords relating to the recipe, title tags, and under ingredients, you can enter different ingredients that are needed to make this recipe, the units and the quantity. And here you can set the different steps. And here you are creating a recipe, and these options are available for you to delete, edit the recipe. And under AI recipe, you are able to interact with the chatbot and get the result that you want. Here you have the option to favorite the recipe, edit or delete it. And if you want, you can delete it. Sorry, let's first edit it. Here you can edit the pasta title and you can update it. And here you will see it is properly updated and you can delete it. See, you can see the recipe is now deleted. And under the recommendations AI module, I was responsible for TF-IDF recognition, cosine, similarity, and the ranking of recipes that are needed for the processing part of this recommendation AI. And this part was explained by Rashid. And that will be my part. Thank you.
I am Nidushan. My part is meal schedule management. First, start with new meal plan. Select the date and select the meal type and select the recipes and select the status and also add description and create the meal plan. And we want to create daily meal plan and weekly and also monthly. I create this specific date dinner and select recipes and create the meal plan. That time this alert is show. This means the inventory have not enough ingredients based on this recipe. So this alert is show. Then ask add those ingredients into shopping list. Then click OK. Those ingredients adding to shopping list. Then this issue says this ingredients is missing. The shopping list after both those ingredients, the issue is gone. And also have this part is validations, like we don't create previous dates meal plans and we don't create same date meal plan, like, and we view the recipe details and also edit the meal plan. And also delete. This is my component. Thank you.
Component shopping list management, where I can add new item, like quantity should be greater than 0. And these fields cannot be empty. And we can select the source, manual or meal plan, and add item. The item should be added here. And we can edit the item added. We can change the quantity. We can change the size. See changes. Changes should be visible here. And we can also mark these items as bold and the board count should be increased here, and the pending count is decreased here. And we can also delete the board item or the pending item also. And we can filter it by pending or the board items. And from the source manual or the mail plan. We can see the board items and the pending items for visualization. And in the pending items, how many are manual and how many are from the mail plan. We can clear the board items and we can download the shopping list. And if we mark an item here as board, it should be added to the ingredients. Here. This one.
Management and budget management. In here we can add the leftover. This is my form, leftover form. We can validate the dates also. We can't add our past dates. Here we can give the location where we can store the foods and this extra notes at leftover. We can see the status also expiring soon, expired like that. And in here we can select. After that, click the use now. Our system generated the matching recipes. This is a AI, one AI we integrate with our system leftover AI. And after that, we can do the add to schedule for the meal schedule like that. And if we don't have the ingredients, it goes to the shopping list. And also this is budget management. In here, we can set our budget and track our expenses and budgets. That is my part.